Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exporting the contacts you want to move. On your device or current provider, open Contacts, choose Export, and pick CSV or vCard. CSV for spreadsheets, vCard for phones. Make sure you're using the account that actually stores those contacts. Once done, save the file to local storage or Google Drive. This gives you a portable list to upload into Gmail. If you have multiple contact groups, export each separately so you can merge or map fields deliberately. Next, import into Google Contacts using Contacts. Google.com or Gmail's contacts link. Click Import, select your CSV or vCard file, and upload it. Google often automaps common fields like name, email, and phone. However, inspect mappings to avoid misplaced data. Once uploaded, check the duplicate suggestion. Choose Merge to combine entries or keep separate if you prefer manual review. Make sure you're in the correct Google account, because importing into the wrong account requires. Finally, ensure contacts sync to your devices. On Android or iPhone, enable Google Account Contact Sync under Accounts and toggle Contacts. Give Sync a minute. Organize imported contacts with labels so you can quickly verify completeness, and use Search to find missing entries. If entries are absent or fields garbled, re-export using vCard format, or open the CSV to confirm headers match Google's expectations, then re-import. If sync conflicts occur, sign out /in or force a manual sync to resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.